In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present in Prezi. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your presentation, start presenting, move around your content smoothly, and keep your audience focused using full screen and overview. Begin by opening your Prezi. Go to prezi.com, log in, and head to your dashboard where all your presentations are listed. This is your starting point every time you present. Take a moment to confirm you're opening the correct presentation, especially if you have multiple versions or drafts. When you're ready to present, you have two straightforward options. From the dashboard, hover over your presentation's thumbnail and click the Present button. This is the fastest way to launch directly into presentation mode. If you prefer checking something first, open the presentation in the editor. Once inside, click Present, either by selecting the eye icon or the Present button in the top toolbar. Both routes take you to the same place, a clean presentation view. Give it a second to load fully so your first slide appears crisp before you begin speaking. Navigating your presentation is simple and predictable. Use the arrow buttons on the screen, or more commonly, the arrow keys on your keyboard, to move forward and backward through your frames. This follows the path you set while building the presentation, helping you keep a consistent flow. As you advance, aim to pause briefly on each frame so your audience has time to process the visuals and text. You can also jump directly to any frame by clicking on it. This is especially useful during Q&A or if you need to skip ahead to a specific section. It keeps you flexible without fumbling through slides, and it allows you to respond to audience interests in the moment while staying organized. To keep attention on your content, use full screen mode. Click the full screen icon to hide menus and distractions, so only your slides are visible. This is ideal when sharing your screen or presenting on a projector, helping your audience focus on the story you're telling. At any point, click the Home or Overview button to see the entire canvas. This gives you a zoomed-out map of your presentation, making it easy to reorient your audience, highlight the big picture, and move anywhere you need with a single click. That's all you need to present in Prezi with confidence. Open from your dashboard, start. Present, navigate with arrows, click to jump, use full screen to focus, and rely on overview to guide the story. You're ready to go.